Okay, Toyota Prius hybrid battery upgrade. So let's jump right into it. So we took off the hybrid battery. Before you do that, make sure you disconnect the engine battery, not the hybrid battery. Engine battery, the negative side, and you have to disconnect that from the safety switch. It's gonna locate it right here when the battery is installed. It's just right back there, goes like that. So, and you need to pull it out all the way and just make it back straight. See, just like that. Just like that. So make sure you do that. Make sure you wear the proper gloves. This is gonna be 110 volt. You don't want to be shocked or anything. Then disconnect all the connectors, the bunch of screws, take off all the cover, carpets and everything, remove the back seat. So take the entire battery out, which we already did. So the customer got the new cells from China. This is the upgraded one and they last longer. This is the original one, came out. And those are the boxes. So you take off the cover, you take them off. You're gonna understand what you are doing. If you don't have any experience, don't never touch that. So you're gonna take this bottom frame off. There is a bunch of 8mm screws. Take them off. Same thing on the other side, take them off. And then disconnect the main wire. You're gonna have this voltage collector wire right here like that. Goes all of them. So takes 8mm. Take all of them out, disconnect this one. The same thing on the other side. But the new battery came with the new harness. So you gotta do just like that in this side, which is when the fan face toward you. You're gonna put this and every red one goes to the right side. Same. And put the main cable just like that. And it's gonna go install just like that. And you're gonna do the same on the other side. The connector is just about the same. Everything is about the same. And we go just like that. Basically, this is the very, very similar situation if you want to replace the original cells, but you don't need to modify any wiring or anything like that. In this case, we just got the new wiring and everything, and we're gonna modify that. So basically, when you put that everything together, make sure you connect everything, put back the cover. There is a heat sensor goes right here, the other one on the middle, and the other one all the way back, and it's gonna connect it to the right connector over there. And also there is a instruction on the manual. You can follow that one. This is the very, very summary of how to replace and upgrade the hybrid battery on any kind of Toyota Prius. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.